Well, knowingly or unknowingly, yes, we do make mistakes in our daily language, especially when it is English. And because we love to learn English and because we invariably need to use it in our daily life, we definitely need to eliminate as many mistakes as possible, which is why in this video we will learn about common English mistakes that we make in our daily language. Well, what are we waiting for? You all are once again most welcome to Tutorials Point. Let us go ahead and learn about common English mistakes that we all make, and let us learn how to eliminate them. Well, here is a very common mistake that we make. I did a mistake. Actually, it's not, you don't do a mistake, you make a mistake, right? So next time, if you do a mistake, do not forget to make a mistake, right? So do not forget to change it to make a mistake. So you don't do a mistake, you make a mistake. So we all make mistakes, which is why we will learn how to eliminate these mistakes in this video. I am a 19 years old boy. Well, not really. I am a 19-year-old boy, right? So when you are putting forward your age in this way, so I am a 19-year-old boy or I am a 20-year-old girl. So years, then you don't need to put years along with it, right? Because as it is 19 or 20 or any number that you've written there already is telling your age in numbers, so you don't need to mention years along with it. That doesn't make much sense. Years back or years ago, which do you think is right and why? Well, years back is not the most appropriate way. A better way is years ago. Well, if you're using years back, then you need to mention a specific number. For example, it could be 5 years back or 4 years back, then years back would be correct. But if you're using, if there's no specific number that you mentioned, well, then in that case, years ago would be a better way. Did you give an exam lately or did you take an exam? Well, obviously you don't go ahead and give an exam, you take an exam. So next time you happen to give an exam, well, convert it to take an exam, because taking an exam is the right way. Well, giving an exam is not the most appropriate way. Well, you could give a gift, you could give anybody food, but you cannot give an exam. You need to take an exam. Be rest assured or rest assured or be assured. Well, be rest assured, it's like a mixture, it's like a Maggie, it's like a mixture of rest assured and be assured. Well, be rest assured is definitely not going to amplify the intensity of sort of, if you're trying to pacify anybody by putting forward this statement, it is not going to intensify the intensity in which you are trying to pacify. Well, be assured is the right way, or rest assured is the right way. Well, be rest assured is not the appropriate way, so avoid using it. Me and my friend went for dinner last night. Well, again, a mistake that we make. Definitely, I have discussed this mistake time and again with all of you all, and I'm sure by now you're aware what mistake is it. Well, it's not my friend, me and my friend, it's my friend and I, because that follows the rule of first person pronoun. So my friend and I went for dinner is the right way, instead of saying me and my friend. That doesn't make much sense, or that is not grammatically correct. I saw a dream last night. Well, where did you see it? Did you see it on the TV? Did you see it on your laptop or on your phone? Well, you don't see a dream. You don't actually see a dream. You had a dream. Well, yes, I had a dream. Because it's not literally seeing it. It is something which just happened to you while you were sleeping. So you had a dream instead of, you don't see a dream literally, because there's no literal thing that you're seeing. It's just something happening. It's a state of mind right? So instead of seeing a dream, you have a dream, or I had a dream last night. Well, how about this one? If yes, what do you think your answer is? Do you think your answer is yes or no? If yes, why so? Well, if yes is not the most appropriate way, on the contrary, you might want to ask them, if so, why? Well, whatever is your answer, why? Why do you think? Or if your answer is yes, why so? So instead of just saying if yes, why, you just want to tweak it a little bit to make it sound more grammatically correct. And instead of that, if so, why? Or if your answer is yes, why is it so? That would make it sound better, or that would make it grammatically correct. Well, is it wedding anniversary or marriage anniversary? Well, not really. It is not marriage anniversary. It is wedding anniversary. And next time you are going forward to wish anyone, do not forget that you're not wishing them their marriage anniversary. You could go ahead and attend someone's marriage, but you are not going to wish them their marriage anniversary. It's their wedding anniversary which you wish. So you might want to correct yourself next time. Well, all these words I'm sure are going to help you a lot to eliminate certain errors that we all day in day out make while using our English language, so that our language tries, and so that we try and improve our language on a daily basis. Well, I will see you again in the next video. Till that time, keep learning with Tutorials Point and Tutorix. Have a good day.